Hello health lovers, welcome back to our health tips channel. Have you been eating pumpkin seeds? If yes, then be ready to understand what you have been eating more better, okay? And if you have not been eating pumpkin seed, then get ready to start eating it right away after this video, as we are going to tell you 5 health benefits of these seeds in your body. Don't forget to subscribe for more as you are watching this video, okay? Cheers to that. Alright, number one health benefit of pumpkin seed is that it helps the heart to function healthily. Wow. Are you hearing that, friends? So when you are eating pumpkin seed, right, the high magnesium content found in that pumpkin seed helps to lower your blood pressure and regulate it, thereby helping your heart to function well, and in return helps you to lower the risk of stroke and death caused by heart disease. So to prevent your heart, pumpkin seed is very good for your consumption as it is rich in high magnesium content. Another beautiful health benefit of pumpkin seed is that it serves as anti-cancer property. Oh yes, are you looking for ways to prevent cancer? Then know that pumpkin seed can help you to stop the growth of breast and prostate cancer cells. Is this not amazing, guys? Just with your pumpkin seed, you are good to go in the prevention of breast and prostate cancer cells. So don't joke with pumpkin seeds, okay? As it is well loaded with high antioxidant properties. Thirdly, this pumpkin seed helps lower the risk of diabetes as it is rich in high magnesium. This now helps to regulate your blood sugar level, lower your diabetes risk. Not just that, the high magnesium found in pumpkin seeds helps people with diabetes to maintain blood sugar control to manage the disease in you. So take your pumpkin seeds serious, okay guys, in terms of consumption. Finally, it acts as anti-inflammatory effect. The antioxidant found in it protect your cells from disease causing damage and reduce inflammation in the body. These spunky anti-inflammatory abilities can maintain good functions in the liver, in your bladder, in your bowel and joints, making it very good for your consumption. So guys, if you are not yet open for the consumption of pumpkin seed, then start it right away, okay, after listening to this video, and consider eating it, for it is very nutritive for you. And you that have been eating it, keep eating it, and I hope this video have helped you to better understand what you have been consuming as well. Thank you for watching. Hope you share the video out to your loved ones too, so that they can understand what pumpkin seeds is all about and how it helps in building their body. And don't forget to subscribe and join the family, for your health is our priority in this space. Much love to you all. Catch you in our next video. Cheers.